Want to make a great first impression before anyone even steps inside? Your front yard is the first thing people see, and the right plants can take your curb appeal and home value to the next level. Hi, I'm Amy from Gardening Know-How. With 20 years in the garden center industry, I've helped countless gardeners design beautiful front yard landscapes. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 front yard plants that will not only enhance your space, but also make your home more inviting to guests and potential buyers. From long blooming perennials to lush flowering shrubs, these expert-approved picks will give your front yard a polished, eye-catching look that stands out in any neighborhood. Let's kick things off with one of my favorites, the Oakleaf Hydrangea. While hydrangeas are popular in many landscapes, the Oakleaf Hydrangea truly stands out. This stunning deciduous shrub offers year-round interest, starting with large oak-shaped leaves in the spring. In summer, it produces beautiful panicle-shaped blooms, followed by rich burgundy foliage in the fall. Even in winter, it remains a showstopper with its peeling cinnamon-colored bark, and best of all, it's low maintenance. Unlike other hydrangeas, it doesn't require pruning and blooms reliably every season with little effort. With its ever-changing beauty and easy care, the Oakleaf Hydrangea is a perfect choice for boosting curb appeal in your front yard. Azaleas, with their stunning vibrant blooms in an array of pretty shades, create an eye-catching display that can transform any landscape. Blooming in spring and in some cases reblooming in summer or fall, azaleas provide long-lasting seasonal interest that keeps your front yard looking fresh and inviting. Their lush green foliage adds beauty even when they're not in bloom, offering year-round appeal. Beyond their visual impact, azaleas are easy to maintain and adaptable to various conditions. Many varieties are evergreen, producing structure and color throughout the year, while others put on a spectacular fall foliage show. They thrive in partial shade, making them ideal for planting under trees or near the house. If you want a plant that delivers year-round beauty with minimal effort, heuchera, also known as coral bells, is a perfect choice. This versatile perennial brings lasting color and texture to your front yard, even in spots where other plants struggle. They can thrive in either shade or filtered sunlight, making them an excellent solution for brightening up darker corners of your front yard. The low-growing, mounding habit makes it ideal for edging borders, but they also look fantastic in perennial gardens and mixed amongst shrubs. One of the standout features of coral bells is their stunning foliage. Most varieties are evergreen and come in an incredible range of colors, red, bronze, purple, and more, so they add interest even when flowers aren't in bloom. In addition to their vibrant leaves, heuchera produce delicate bell-shaped flowers on tall spikes from late spring to early summer. These blooms, available in shades of white, pink, and deep red, add another layer of beauty to this already eye-catching plant. Viburnum is a show-stopping versatile shrub that's a must-have for any front yard landscape, offering beauty, structure, and seasonal interest, all with minimal maintenance. With multiple species and varieties to choose from, Viburnum provides multi-season appeal, and even some offer fragrant blooms. The Korean spice viburnum fills your yard with an intoxicating spring fragrance, while the double-file viburnums stun with elegant layered white flowers. In the fall, vibrant foliage and colorful berries attract birds and wildlife, adding even more charm to your landscape. Most viburnum varieties are drought-tolerant once established, and naturally resistant to pests and diseases, making them a low-maintenance yet high-impact addition to any front yard. The perennial hardy geranium is a low-maintenance powerhouse that delivers continuous color, thrives in various conditions, and deserves a spot at the top of your list. These hardy perennials return year after year, spreading beautifully without becoming invasive. Their delicate, cup-shaped flowers bloom for months, from late spring through fall, keeping your front yard vibrant for an extended season. Plus, their finely textured foliage adds a soft, elegant touch to any landscape. Hardy geraniums are also incredibly resilient. They resist pests, adapt to a wide range of soil conditions, and, once established, are drought tolerant. Even better, their nectar-rich blooms attract pollinators, making them an eco-friendly choice for a front yard that's as beneficial as it is beautiful. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, high-impact plant for your front yard, easy-care shrub roses like drift roses are a must-have. These aren't your grandmother's high-maintenance, finicky roses. Drift roses have been specially bred to be tough, disease-resistant, and require much less attention than traditional roses, making them an ideal addition to any landscape. Drift roses bloom continually from spring until the first frost, providing a steady stream of vibrant color in your front yard. They're perfect for those looking to add curb appeal without spending hours tending to them. Japanese maples not only bring elegance and structure to the landscape, but offer seasonal interest as well. In the spring, they burst into color with delicate new growth, often in shades of red, orange, or bright green. By summer, their finely cut leaves create a soft, textured canopy that adds depth and charm to your yard. And in the fall, they absolutely steal the show with fiery reds, deep purples, and even glowing golds. Some grow tall with graceful arching branches, while others remain compact, making them ideal for small spaces, entryways, or along sidewalks. But despite their delicate appearance, Japanese maples are surprisingly low maintenance. Their slow growth ensures they won't outgrow their space too quickly, and they require only minimal pruning, if any at all, to maintain their elegant shape. This is a tree that truly can elevate your front yard. Boxwoods, with their dense evergreen foliage and polished look, always make a timeless choice for front yard landscaping. They're ideal for framing entryways, defining garden beds, lining pathways, and providing much-needed winter interest. Whether shaped into rounded balls, sculpted into cone or spiral topiaries, or trimmed into a low hedge, boxwoods provide endless design possibilities to enhance curb appeal. Plus, they can thrive in a wide range of climates and soil conditions, require minimal maintenance, and can be easily pruned to maintain their shape. Their resilience against pests and diseases further adds to their appeal, making them a long-lasting investment for any landscape. Unlike the structured look of boxwoods, ornamental grasses bring graceful movement and rich texture to the landscape. However, choosing the right grass is essential, not only to enhance curb appeal, but also to support biodiversity and prevent the spread of invasive species. Native ornamental grasses are the best choice to provide crucial habitat for pollinators and birds, while offering a wide range of colors, heights, and forms to suit any design. They can serve as striking focal points, elegant borders, or natural privacy screens. Many varieties feature feathery plumes or seed heads, adding seasonal interest. With their effortless beauty and year-round appeal, native ornamental grasses are a sustainable and stunning choice for any front yard. The last plant on our list is more of an entire category: flowering hedges. There are so many flowering shrubs that can create a continuous, beautiful screen while offering stunning blooms and multi-season interest. These living fences provide structure and privacy while bursting into colorful blooms that create a welcoming and elegant landscape. Whether lining a walkway or defining property boundaries, flowering hedges offer a striking visual impact that can make any home stand out. Many types such as lilac, viburnum, hydrangea, ninebark, summersweet, or rose of Sharon offer seasonal interest with fragrant blooms in spring or summer and lush green foliage that lasts throughout fall. Evergreen flowering hedges like camellias provide year-round color and texture, ensuring your landscape looks beautiful in every season. Easy to maintain and highly versatile, flowering hedges not only boost curb appeal, but also contribute to a more inviting and valuable home exterior. Are you ready to elevate your curb appeal and add value to your home with stunning front yard plants? Look no further. At our new online shop, you'll find a carefully curated collection of the best plants that will boost your home's overall value. Simply click the link in the description to explore our amazing range of plants that will turn your front yard into the envy of the neighborhood. So, will any of these plants make it into your front yard? Let us know in the comments. And if you're loving these plant recommendations, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on boosting your home's curb appeal with the best landscaping choices. Thanks for watching and happy landscaping.